Australia's largest supplier of twine and yarn expands production. Tapex is a highly respected Australasian company, manufacturing and selling over 400 polymer-based extrusion products, servicing the agricultural, horticultural and industrial sectors. To address new and growing market opportunities, Tapex continues to expand our manufacturing operations beyond Australia into Southeast Asia to increase our capacity to produce our agricultural and industrial twine range. Additional manufacturing lines have been installed and are now operating in our 10,000 square metre Tapex facility in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. The production facility is ideally located with easy access to ports for quick delivery to every one of our customers' destinations. Underpinning the expansion is a large investment in the latest highly automated European manufacturing technology and equipment. We continue to use our proven successful proprietary formulations and processes exclusively. We source our raw materials from only the global leaders. We manufacture under the tightest specifications and controls. Our unique expertise in research and development is keeping us well ahead of our competition. We are doing everything we've done over the past 5 decades to build and maintain our coveted Tapex reputation. Everything that has made the Tapex name so successful has been maintained. The only change has been the source. This is another big step in a new and exciting phase for the Tapex Group as we expand into new horizons.